Welcome to this channel, and this video is about how to upload and post reels on Instagram. Now, before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on Instagram and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to upload and post Instagram Reels and on your feed or profile on Instagram app. You need first to come above here and click this plus button, then select Reel from these options. And on this recording screen, you can upload a short video of up to 60 seconds and add some sounds or music and scale it on this other page. And on this same recording screen, you can also record a short video of up to 60 seconds using the front camera or the rear camera of your phone. Now, using these features on this left side, you can time your recording, choose a video layout, set recording speed and video length, align your video, and also add some more sounds or music. And below here, you can add some effects to your video. And also above here, you can turn the camera flash on and off, switch the brightness on and off, and make some more camera settings. Now, after uploading or recording your video, you need to click this preview button to move to the next screen where you can download your video to your phone. And on this same screen, you can add some more audio effects and change the volume, record an audio and add it as a voiceover, add text, add stickers, make drawings on your video, and add some more effects. And you can always cancel everything to start afresh. If you want to know more about adding text to Instagram Reels, check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below. And after editing your video, you need to come below here and click this next button to move to the next screen where you can add a caption to your video, including hashtags. Choose a cover frame or image and select these other options accordingly. And the last thing is to click this share button to post your short video as a reel. You can also decide to save it as a draft to post it later. Now, this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.